community health nursing subject video. We are going to discuss regarding history. Okay, history and development of community health in India. Okay, in our India, how the development process will be there for community health. Okay, what is the way? Next, what is its present concept? Okay, regarding that we are going to discuss. ఓకే, మన యొక్క ఇండియాలో ఈ యొక్క కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ అనేది ఎలా డెవలప్మెంట్ అయింది, ప్రీవియస్ డేస్లో ఎలా ఉంది, ప్రజెంట్ డేస్లో ఎలా ఉంది అనే దాని గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ 3 steps will be there. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ ఎరా. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ ద PIE, ప్రీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ ఎరా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద బ్రిటిష్ ఇండియా. Next, last one is the post independence era. Okay, in these 3 steps, in this 3 process, our community health will be developed. Okay, first we are going to discuss in pre-independence era. Okay, in earlier history, what happens means in the year of 1400 BC. Okay, BC nothing but before Christ. Okay, in 1400 BC, what is there our community health status? ఓకే, 1400 సంవత్సరాల క్రీస్తు పూర్వం టైంలో ఎలా ఉంది అంటే ఇక్కడ మెయిన్లీ ద ఆరియన్స్. ఓకే, ఆరియన్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. నో, ద ఆరియన్స్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ ద ఆయుర్వేద అండ్ సిద్ధ. ఓకే, ఆయుర్వేద అండ్ సిద్ధ మెడిసిన్ come to the extents mainly in this period 1400 before Christ. ఈ పీరియడ్ లో ఆయుర్వేద అండ్ సిద్ధ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్ విల్ బి స్టార్టెడ్ ఫర్ కంట్రోల్ ఆఫ్ డిసీజెస్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ ద ఆయుర్వేద 2 words is there. One ayur, next veda. Ayur means life, veda means science, science of life. మన యొక్క లైఫ్ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి, డిసీజెస్ని ప్రివెంట్ చేయడానికి ఆరియన్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఆయుర్వేద సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్, నెక్స్ట్ సిద్ధ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఓకే, మీన్స్ ఆయుర్వేదిక్ మెడిసిన్స్. ఓకే, ఆయుర్వేద ప్రోడక్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనకు వచ్చేటటువంటి హెల్త్ డిసీజెస్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు అనే విధానం ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే 1400 BCలో, బిఫోర్ క్రిస్ట్లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఎవరు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు? ఆరియన్స్. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ మను సంహిత. ఓకే, వన్ ఈజ్ దర్. ద మను సంహిత ఈజ్ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్డ్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సమ్ రూల్స్. ఓకే, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద హెల్త్ రూల్స్, రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఫర్ ద పర్సనల్ హెల్త్. Okay, Manu Samhita is one great person. He is introduced, he prescribed some rules and regulations for the every individual. Okay, for regarding that, what personal health. Okay, each and every person should maintain their good personal hygiene for prevention of diseases. Okay, వ్యక్తిగత పరిశుభ్రత అనేది మెయింటైన్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? Personal diseases will be prevented. Like that, some rules means each and every person should maintain the regular bath. Okay, hand washing techniques when toilets or the whatever it may be, what activity will be done by our body. Okay, for preventing diseases, for protecting our health, compulsory each and every individual should follow some rules and regulations. For example, before going to dining hall, before going to eat any food, each and every person should wash your hands for prevention of diseases. Okay, after completion of that food, okay, immediately we should wash our hands along with mouthwash also. Okay, some water we are taking and we are gargle. No, what is the reason means by this personal health we are preventing some diseases. Okay, like that the Manu Samhita will be give some rules and regulations to the each individuals. Okay, in this next one is the some dietitics. Okay, what is the dietetics? What is the hygienic rituals and the in this what is the unity of physical and mental spiritual aspects of life. ఓకే, ఒక లైఫ్ గుడ్గా హెల్తీగా ఉండాలంటే కంపల్సరీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇండివిజువల్ షుడ్ మెయింటైన్ ప్రాపర్ డైట్. ఓకే, వితౌట్ డైట్, వితౌట్ ఈటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్, వితౌట్ absence of food, we are not having health, no. Okay, for doing each and every activity, for example sitting, standing, walking, running, whatever activity will be done by our health. Okay, we should eat some food, no. Okay, we are not doing any hard work also, we are receiving some energy. Why? Because for working our heart, for doing some activity by our brain, okay, some energy will be required for the each and every individuals. That's why we should take which is the nutritive value food will be available, that food will be taken for protecting our health. Okay, like that he gives some rules and regulations in the period of 1400 BC by the Manu Samhita. Okay, next one is the what is that some Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Okay, one slogan will be there. What is that? Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. What it means? All human beings will be healthy. Okay, free from any diseases. Okay, ఈ యొక్క సొసైటీలో ఉన్నటువంటి హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ అందరూ హెల్తీగా ఉండాలి, ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్ ఉండకూడదు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ద మను సంహిత షుడ్ బి గివ్ సమ్ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ స్లోగన్ మీన్స్ సర్వే జన సుఖినో భవంతు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ some one period is there, that is the post Vedic period. Okay, in a post Vedic period, especially 1600 BC to 600 BC to 600 AD. Okay, 600 BC nothing but before Christ, 600 AC nothing but ancient days. Okay, ee time lo in this period medical education will be available. Okay, medical education will be started by the universities, and what is that university? Especially Taxila and Nalanda titles. Okay, in the period of 600 BC to 600 AC. Okay, in this period the medical education will be started by the some universities. Okay, a title to elanti name to start ayante by the Taxila and Nalanda universities. Okay, in this what is the use means here the titles like what is that Pranacharya and Pranavana Misra. Okay, Pranacharya, Pranava Misra. Some hospital system also introduced. Okay, some hospitals before Christ or in this pre-independence period, in earliest stages there is no hospitals, there is no universities or medical education. Okay, some of the nurse will be there, some doctors will be there, some healthcare providers will be there for giving some services, like that there is no availability. Okay, in this period only the medical education will be started by the universities of Taxila and Nalanda by the title of this Pranacharya and Pranavana Misra. Some hospital system also started for men's and women's by the who is that person? Rahul Sankrityanan. Okay, this animals ki human beings lo men's aina women's aina villandarki what is started means some hospital system will be started. Okay, who is started means by the person of Rahul Sankrityayan. Okay, he started some hospital system. Next, in the period of 650 to 1850 AD. Okay, ee period lo em jarigindi ante Muslim rules come to India. Okay, some of the Muslim rules followed by the India. What is that Muslim rules regarding health? Okay, that is the what is that Muslim rules of means Arabic system of medicine. Okay, Arabic system. ఆయుర్వేదనేమో ఆరియన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఈ యొక్క అరబిక్ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది అని అంటే ముస్లిం రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ వల్ల. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ ద అరబిక్ సిస్టమ్ విల్ బీ మెయిన్లీ విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్ మీన్స్ యునానీ. ఓకే, యునానీ is started by the Arabic system of medicine. It will be introduced in the period of 650 to 1850 AD. Okay, this is the pre-independence era. Next to British independence. Okay, British India. In British India, what happens means the Quarantine Act will be started in the period of 1825. Okay, for example, some more diseases will be comes, no, what is that, some communicable diseases. So okay, for example, now dangerous disease or easily spreading disease, that is the COVID-19 coronavirus is there, no, the virus will be easily spread to the one person to another person. Okay, for prevention of spread of disease, compulsory who is suffered by that coronavirus, the person should be isolate or some quarantine will be there for the patients. Like that, the Quarantine Act will be started in the period of 1825. Okay, for protecting the health of the people, for prevention of spread of diseases, this Quarantine Act should be started. Okay, next one is the Sanitary Commission will be started. Okay, in Sanitary Commission what happens, in sanitary system will be improved by the individuals in the year of 1864. Okay, in 1864 the sanitary system will be improved. Okay, sanitation also, sanitary measurements also very important. Why? Because the sanitary system is not properly maintained by the each and every individuals, means they may be develop some diseases. That's why these will be started. Next to birth and death registration. Okay, if one newborn baby will be birth, means immediately the baby should be registered in the registers, because what is the total population in the particular community, total population in the particular district, like that we are measuring purpose, or we are a one citizen in the India. Okay, we are live or death, that information should be available by this Registration Act of Birth and Death. Okay, when will be started means in the year of 1873. Okay, next one is the vaccination. Okay, the vaccination should be started in the year of 1880. Why? What is the use of vaccination? You know. Okay, for prevention of diseases, we are giving some vaccination to the children, no. Okay, next post independence era. Okay, that is the last one, post independence era. In this era what happened means here the India is joined in the World Health Organization as a member. ఓకే, ప్రపంచ ఆరోగ్య సంస్థలో ఒక మెంబర్గా ఇండియా అనేది జాయిన్ అయింది. ఎప్పుడు? పోస్ట్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ ఎరా. ఓకే, వై? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? means for prevention of national malaria control program. Okay, for prevention of malarial diseases. Okay, national level the malarial program will be available for prevention of malarial disease in the community people. Okay, next one is the which year it will be started means 1950. Okay, some drugs act passed. Okay, why? Because some standardized drugs will be made. Okay, some expiry date drugs should be restricted. Okay, the drugs cost and drugs side effects. Okay, some adulteration of drugs also prevented by this act. Okay, in the year of 1940 the drugs act should be implemented or started. Next one is the MCH services. Okay, maternal and child health services. Okay, reproductive and child health services will be started by the Indian Red Cross Society. Okay, Indian Red Cross Society is a one type of what is that one program. It will be started in the 1931. Okay, in 1931 the Indian Red Cross Society will be work for protecting the maternal and child health. Okay, next to there's 5 years plans is there, no, పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళికలు అంటారుగా అవి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక, ఫస్ట్ 5-year plan when will be started means in the year of 1951. Okay, in this period the BCG vaccination program will be started. Okay, what is the use BCG? Bacilli calmette guerin means immunization schedule లో ఫస్ట్ వ్యాక్సిన్ న్యూ బార్న్ బేబీస్కి ఎట్ బర్త్ అప్పుడే పుట్టిన బిడ్డకి ఇచ్చేటటువంటి వ్యాక్సిన్ ఏంటి అని అంటే బీసీజీ వ్యాక్సిన్. ఓకే, దట్ బీసీజీ వ్యాక్సినేటెడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విల్ బీ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ 1951 in first 5-year plan. Okay, this is regarding history of community health.